Okay, so you're seeing streaks or banding on your printing from your TM-305, and you're trying to figure out what your next step should be. Well, your first step should be to run a test print. So you tap the gear on the home screen, you go to maintenance, and you print nozzle check pattern. That pattern is going to show you which nozzles are firing and which nozzles are misfiring by printing a pattern that's going to have a bunch of lines on it. We'll see that in a second here. It only takes a minute to print. And then that will tell you what your next steps will be. If you have a lot of gaps or a lot of misaligned lines, you're going to run a cleaning, or maybe two, to get that pattern improved. So here is your pattern, and if you look real close, you can see the lines are slightly canted but straight in all the colored boxes and in the black boxes. If you had gaps or misaligned lines, you're going to go back to the gear, and you're going to go back to maintenance, and you're going to run a print head cleaning. You're going to do the top one first, then you'll reprint this nozzle pattern. If it improves and it's clean, you're done. If it only improves a little bit, you can run the deep cleaning, and that should improve it further. And that's all you got to do.